Hey guys, welcome back to Midlife Cars. So today we're going to be installing this bad boy. It's a 360 interior camera inside the Corvette. So I think we can make this work. I'm a little bit concerned about is the mounting. So one of these cameras is going to go in the front, like in the very front, like there, in the front windshield, and then the other smaller camera is going to have to go somewhere up in here. We'll have to kind of figure that out when it closes to see if we get a good view of the of the interior there, and so we'll see how it works. So let's get started. All right, let's take this out of the box and see what we're working with. My wife got this for me. She's so awesome. So I want to take a look at this here. And doing this one-handed is going to be really difficult. We'll set that to the side. That's the main camera. And then this one here is going to be the rear camera. And then this is, or these rather, are the cords. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, got like a mounting tab, I guess, for the dash, and then just kind of dump all these out here. There we go. And some more cables. Let me get these opened up. Okay, so I have this is a power plug with another USB here, and then the cable. I guess maybe it's the main cable or secondary cable. I'm not totally sure yet. Get these out of the way. And then this is the smaller camera here with a little mount, and then it shows you the direction in the rear, I guess, that the cable is supposed to be coming through. There is another. This one feels pretty heavy, and this is probably another cable. Up here, let's see what we got. Yep, so this must go in between the two. Okay, and let's see what we have in here. My gosh, that's a USB-C, a really long USB-C. All right, cool. And then finally we'll open up this last one. This is the main camera here. Okay, and this gives you like simultaneous views inside and outside of the vehicle. Okay, so we're into a slight issue. This obviously needs power, but I only have one power plug spot in this car, and that is being taken up by the radar detector. So I think I'll need to get like a splitter of some sort, but one that's gonna fit in this little small area here. So let's see what we can find. This stuff legitly smells like brake cleaner. There we go. It's working. Okay, so we got the camera mounted right here, and so it got a little loose because I opened it without this, with this a little bit too tight, but that's all right. So it runs down through here and then back down up through to connect back to the front unit up there. Okay, so since this thing has front and rear cameras and record at the same time, I did read that you need plenty of storage space, so we got a 512. All right, so the video slot goes under this little cover, and come on now. Well, it's not working. Okay, I figured it out. You have to push it. There we go, a little bit further. So it goes under this little power button here. Okay, so I wanted to just plugging it in, I found the back of the radar detector has a USB plug, which is pretty nice. So I was able to test out the system, got some videos which I'll upload, which you'll see shortly. And then now I'm actually working on and getting the radar detector hardwired in. And now next up after that is I'll have to get the camera more hardwired in so it's cleaner. So now I only have one wire kind of hanging down instead of, I think I had 3 at that point. So keep on trucking on. Okay, so the camera setup, I was really happy with it. Turned out great. I'll be able to use it for reactions and some other things. And overall, just honestly safety as well, having that 360 degree view camera. They call it a 360, I guess it's not really the sides. So I haven't really thought about it until now, but it's front, interior, just like you saw, and then rear interior facing forward, and then out the back of the car. So overall, really happy with it. And of course, not a sponsored video or anything like that. My wife bought it for me, and I like it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Sure appreciate you watching all the way through here, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.